I'm Dr. Sue Wishbaratz. I run the anatomy course at Case Western Reserve University School of Medicine. HoloAnatomy has completely transformed how we teach anatomy. We are able to demonstrate anatomy efficiently without students investing limited curricular time on dissection and deciphering cadavers. Building a lesson in the HoloAnatomy Hub enables me to customize lessons to the specific anatomy that we want students to learn and interact with in the sequence we want them to learn it in. Because it is customizable, we can teach either by region or by system. I can manipulate 3D models, highlight key structures and labels. I can even create step-by-step instructions for students. It enables me to customize a meaningful learning experience rather than just preparing another lecture.
HoloAnatomy Neuro is a game changer when it comes to teaching neuroanatomy because we can actually see color-coded aspects of these tracks in their full length, including the first order neurons down to the second and even tertiary neurons. One of the downfalls that we have is that we can't see these structures grossly on spinal cords or brain slices. HoloAnatomy Neuro allows us to see these structures in their full integrity. And we can actually tell what tracks we're looking at because we can color code things and we can break down the first to second order neuron synapses. We can go through and actually show full integration from sensory components down to the motor components and where they interconnect, which allows students to actually learn this content better compared to what we see with just using myelin stains or yarn in place of these structures.
A lot of times with classroom learning and the 2D visuals, you get a sense of what's happening physiologically, but I think being able to see it in a 3D model and being able to follow different structures really helps us figure out like what's happening, not just in normal physiology, but also like in the pathogenesis of XYZ, exactly which structures are affected, and then downstream of that, what structures nearby might be affected by a tumor in whatever structure, or by a blockage in a certain artery. So I think having that 3D visual is very helpful.
With HoloAnatomy, my students fully comprehend areas of human anatomy that are difficult to see with traditional methods of teaching. This isn't just a new way to teach, it's a new way to learn. Our research has indicated that students may spend less time studying and may even retain information better when using HoloAnatomy. I can see the difference it's making.